Welcome to Flutter Widgets. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain the role of widgets in Flutter, list the type of widgets, discuss the considerations for widget development. For an app's success, ensuring a seamless and interactive user experience is crucial. Widgets play a key role in effectively displaying data and capturing user input. Everything in a Flutter app is a widget. Widgets are the fundamental components of the user interface that define their visual appearance based on their configuration and state. They are structured in a hierarchical arrangement known as the widget tree, which helps Flutter update the UI efficiently in response to app state changes. Let's discuss the type of widgets Flutter offers. Widgets are classified as stateless and stateful. Stateless widgets are immutable and do not store any state, which means their properties remain constant once they are created. Examples of stateless widgets include text, icon, and raised button. Stateful widgets can maintain and manage the state, allowing them to update and change over time. Examples of stateful widgets include checkbox, radio, and slider. In Flutter, widgets are classified based on their functionality. Let's learn about them. The first essential category is basic widgets. These are essential components in any Flutter application, consisting of commonly used elements such as text, images, icons, and buttons. Basic widgets are foundational widgets that help build the core structure of your app. Here's an example of how and where they are used. As text. Display a string of text. It is used anywhere you need to show text, like headings, labels, or paragraphs. Next, as an image. Used to display images from various sources. It is used to show logos, photos, or any visual content. As an icon. Used to display icons. It is used in buttons, navigation bars, or lists to represent actions or items visually. As an elevated button. It is a button with elevation for a raised look. It is used for actions like submitting a form, navigating to another screen, etc. The next range of widgets is the layout widget. Layout widgets help arrange other widgets on the screen. They define the structure and positioning of widgets. As column. It arranges its children vertically. It is used when you need to stack widgets on top of one another, like in a list of items or a form. As a row. It arranges its children horizontally. It is used when you need to place widgets side by side, like in a toolbar or a row of buttons. As a container. It is a versatile widget that can contain other widgets and apply padding, margins, borders, and background colors. As a stack. It overlaps its children on top of each other. It is used when you need to overlap widgets on top of each other, like in a photo with a caption. The next range is input widgets. Let's discuss them. Input widgets such as text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and switches receive user input. As a text field, it allows users to enter text. It is used for any text input field like a search bar or form field. As a checkbox, it allows users to select multiple options from a set. It is used for settings or form options where multiple selections are allowed. As a radio, it allows users to select a single option from a set. It is used for settings or form options where only one selection is allowed. As a switch, it allows users to toggle between on-off states. It is used for settings like enabling and disabling features. Let's now discuss button widgets. Button widgets are interactive elements that users can tap to trigger actions. They include elevated button, a button with elevation for a raised look, used for primary actions like submitting forms. Text button, a flat button without elevation used for secondary actions like navigation links. Icon button, a button with an icon instead of text used for actions represented by icons like or share. Finally, let's discuss list widgets. List widgets are used to display scrollable lists of items. As a list view, it displays a scrollable list of widgets used for when you need to display a list of items that users can scroll through, like contacts or messages. Let's now discuss the key aspects of widget development to build high-quality and responsive applications. Flutter offers a vast array of widgets to build stunning UIs, but understanding the fundamentals is crucial. In Flutter, everything is a widget. Each element on screen is a widget arranged in a hierarchical structure. You should know how to arrange widgets effectively within this hierarchy and get acquainted with stateful widget and stateless widget for managing their state. Similarly, to master the core widgets, explore text, image, button, icon, and container to build foundational UI components. Understand how to use flexible layouts. Learn form widgets for user input, and explore the list and grid for displaying data efficiently. For the best UI designs, adhere to material design guidelines for a consistent look and feel, and ensure layouts adapt to various screen sizes. Additionally, to avoid common pitfalls, break down large widgets into smaller, reusable ones and follow design guidelines for a polished look. In this video, you learned that everything in Flutter is a widget organized in a hierarchical structure called the widget tree, which efficiently updates the UI based on state changes. Stateless widgets are immutable and constant, while stateful widgets can manage and update their state over time. Flutter offers a wide variety of widgets, including basic, layout, input, button, and list widgets, each serving specific functions to build a responsive UI. Focus on understanding the widget tree, mastering core widgets, managing state, following design best practices, and avoiding common pitfalls for effective app development.